Students of class 10th, student, as we are reading the chapter Spreadsheet Intermediate from Unit 3rd, and student, today we have a new topic to understand and learn: sort and filter data from section 9. The student, as you know, the MS Excel provides a host of features in addition to creation of worksheets and performing calculations. You can use MS Excel to sort data, filter data, create graphical representations, that is called the charts, and much more we find in the MS Excel. So first of all, we understand what is the sort. The sorting, that is called the sort, to find out according to our needs, and we can sort in ascending or descending order. Ascending means in increasing order, and descending in a decreasing order. So we can say कि sorting data in Excel means arranging the data in ascending or descending order for easy analysis. Excel has a built-in feature to sort data in both cases. Excel first sort numbers, then letters, and followed by blank cells. So student, this is about the sorting data, but I will tell you more about by using the pick of the sorting data. But talking about here the filtering data also is important to understand what is the filtering data and why do we use. The filter is an object that separates a thing that cannot pass through it from the thing that passes through it. The filter feature of Excel separates the information as required from the given set of list. It gives you the required information without making any change in order of the list. The student, we will see all these things what I'm telling to you, how can we sort, how can we apply the filter on our data. The student, it is very important, it is a very easy to use. I think when do you have a work with the Excel, so it means you can do all these things very easily with using these feature in Excel. Okay student, let's have a look all these things in practical form. See, this is the icon of the sorting data. Mean sorting data involves arranging the given data according to a particular field, either in ascending or descending order. You can sort and filter data in Excel. In fact, Excel provides an auto filter option. To let's find out more about these options. To sort the data, we click on Data tab. When you click on the Data tab, we select the cells where the data is inserted and click on this icon. As you can see, this is the sort and filter group. We click on the sort and filter group, and we click from the sort and filter group to sort the data in ascending or descending order. Here you find two icon related to the sorting: sort A to Z and second sort Z to A. A to Z, it shows here you can sort your data in ascending order, and Z to A, it shows here you can sort your data in descending order. The student, you can see this is the icon of sorting in ascending order A to Z, and this is the Z to A. It shows you can sort in descending order means Z to A, and this is the custom sort. Custom sort for according to the color means if you want to sort your data by color cell, you can choose the custom sort. Here you find the three option. I will tell you later, but here we find in the sort and group. What do we get here? Sort and group filter option here. The as a this is the three things: sort A to Z, Z to A, and custom sort. And this is third as a filter. Filter for a particular. Can you get the sort options, sort and filter group option here? So first of all, you will click in the menu tab. This is a given here, the menu tab. You will click in menu tab. As you click, you will get here the data submenu. Data submenu. When you click on the data submenu, you will get this drop down list, and from this drop down list you can choose sorting icon or filter according to your needs here. This twin, you can filter option also for particular option as a here. For particular option or data, you can sort by here. This screen shows here you can select by category here. Suppose you have the lots of data and you want to see by particular data, like as here it is select all, but you want to see by individually data. You can select anyone, click on here as a select all. This will be unchecked, and click or check any box by which you want to see, like as a cup you want to see here according to the cup. So it will give the information on the screen about the cup only, not rest. Dear student, as related to the sorting and filtering, but I will show you by a small clip here. Student, let's start with this video to understand the concept of sorting data and filtering data. This video will help you to understand in a better way about sorting data and filtering data. So let's start with this video. Student, you can see here as I have written the data for you to understand here as in the column, as I have written the some name of the students, some name of the person here, and like you can see as I have written this name in not in a sequence because we can arrange in later. Next column you can see here as after the name of the person, we see here the department and cells. The first here we want to arrange the name of the person in alphabetical. The first click on the editing group and click on the sort and filter option. Here we find the sort A to Z. As you click on the A to Z, our name list will be in ascending order. Ascending order, it means you can see from A to Z here. So here you can see Akshay is the first, then Aman, Hemant, Komal, Neelam, means according to the here the arranged in a ascending wise. Now next here the department column we can ascend also in ascending order one by one, as a click on the department and any column and click on here the sorting A to Z. So now you can see student here the departments also it is arranged in a alphabetical order from starting E, then F, then G here, and then after that we can arrange here as arranged according to the name of the person here. And according to that, if we want to arrange the cells, then we can arrange the cells here. So as the cells, click on your mouse pointer on the cells as a according it should be according to the name of person and department. So first click on the name of the cells heading and click on the editing group and click on sort and filter option, and here we find as a short A to Z. As you click on the short A to Z, here we find our cells would be also in ascending order, starting with the 12,000, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and last we find here the greatest value 25,000. So student, as we see here, this sort icon gives you more about here as a Z2A. If you want to arrange in our descending order, not in ascending order, so we can set our data in descending order too. First, only we have to click on the cell in our data range and click on the editing group and click on the sort to descending the order. So here, as we find here the furniture, electronic and garments and furniture, the rest here, so it means we if we want to sort according to the color ki our means every department have its own color and we can recognize easily or other can recognize easily. So first here for the garment we choose here as a green color as a furniture for the green color, so we select green color for all furniture cells here. So first we select here the three cells have a written furniture, so we make color the with the green. We select for the other here like as electronic we set here the blue color for electronic department. The according means department we set the color here first, as then after we select here the orange color for the garments here. The first select the garments and fill with the color, click on the fill with the color. The fill in the color we click, then our select cells would be colored. And now click on the editing group and click on the sort and filter option, and we find here the custom sort as we want to set or we want to arrange our to the color. So here we find here three option: column, sort on means we find here the color, font, color icon and cell color. So here we select the cell color, and we if cell color means which department would be top or here department. So first here the sort by department we select here, and no cell color here is the order given. So here no cell color, the first here it is given the drop down, click on the drop down color means according to the coloring we want which color we want first, according to our needs and preference we can select here the color. The select the color as for the here orange color we want to keep the first orange color in on top here. The we select here the we get here the more option in the on top and on bottom two option we get here as a arrange our the cell color. So on top we want to get here orange color related to the garments, and then after blue color related to electronics, and green color related to the furniture. So now here next as we want to set the color for the other department, then now here again custom set sort here, then here select the department as selected. Now only we have to choose the color. Now color as I have selected orange color for the garments, this time we have to select for the electronic. So here electronic as a blue and it would be on the bottom because the green color orange color on top, so then blue color would be on a bottom because here we will get the two color for coloring here our department. Select it and click on OK button. So student, now you can see here, okay, this is the as a colored by our arranging our data according to our particular field. Here as a furniture, it is colored with the green color, and here as a garments, orange color, and electronic. And we can remove the color also, select the and then fill in the color, we select the no fill color, so it would be remove the color here. Now next, if we want to understand about the filter option, means we want to see the particular data according to our needs. Suppose we want to see by name only, it means suppose we want to see here about the Rohit or Nilesh, or here the Vaishali. So here we can see the data according to the name only, by particular data by particular person here, individual person here. So select the name of the person and click on this editing group, click on the sort and filter option. Here we find here the filter option, filter. As you click on the filter, here we will get the button, 3 buttons automatically appeared on our data heading. And if now we want to see the data or see a individual detail of a person, now click on the name of the person, as it is a select by all, remove if checkbox, select all, and here we find the any name. So by any name we click, like Vaisali, click here Vaisali or Vishal here, and click here as now Vaishali as a name of the person, and department as a garment here, and sales 17,000 here. So here it is a showing the filter option by the particular name. And if we want to see all, then click on this again and select all here again. Okay, so it means it will show the all the data at a time here. And now next, if we want to see by the department, means particular department you want to see what that department sells, and that what persons are selling the things and what their sales also. So here we can see by the department. So garments, here are the 4 persons, Komal, Neelam, Priya, Vaishali are sellings, and his department garment and sales here different. We can select all again, we can see the all the data once again here. And here by sales also we can see same like as a name of the person and department here, the sales whose person sold how and much here. So we can here see by here the sales, means greatest sales here, the 25,000 who sold the, and from which department he or she belongs. To click on OK, and be by this way we can see here the sorting. So this is the here the great facility for the user to use as a Excel. It means we can see here the all the things at the same time. Student, as we have seen this video, and we understood about the concept about the sorting and data, so I expect you will do the practical at your home proper.